Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, the end. I'm your host, P5, aka Cheesy P, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we're gonna do. I'm gonna go round, come back, and we're gonna get into it like we're getting into it. Let's do it. Alright. Oh shit, no he didn't. Yes he did. What we got here, come on guys. So today we have this Stone Island Supreme Stone Island Ice Camo baseball cap. Do they still call them baseball caps? I don't know. Let's just call them a baseball cap. Alright, let me take it off my hat so you can see. Take it off my hat, take it off my head. Look, so here we have that lovely Stone Island Supreme embossed, embroidered logo right there in this fetching ripstop burgundy colour. Now I know what you're thinking. What camo? I see no camo. Where is the camo? Well, let's see if we can get the camo out. Let's see. I think it's too hot, you see. Let me grab some water. I'll be back, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to. We also drink other bottles of water, so we're not promoting one brand. Although if they want to give us a check, please do. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to show you videos because. Yeah guys, I'm gonna have to show you videos because to be honest, you can't really see the change, but yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful cap. You know what I'm saying? Burgundy, you know, again, shout out my guy Papa Dells, Art Daily, mad love to you, Hustlers Hustle, you know what I mean? Thank you for grabbing this for me, much appreciated. I'll just give you a little twirlage, just a little twirlage. So you've got the canvas pull right there, and then you've got the Supreme on right there, as you can see. It says Supreme right there. Nice little canvas pull. Have a great day, my love. You got the nice canvas pull right there. Boom, as you can see. Of course, in there, you've got the Stone Island Supreme label. You've got Stone Island tags right there with the 30 logo. You know how that goes. Of course, you got your little swing tag that says Supreme. Then you got your Stone Island swing tags. So this came in a number of colors. I know, just like that. This came in your white, this came in your burgundy, and it also came in your black, which I don't have. And the jackets also came in the same color scheme. So your burgundy, your white, and your black. It also came with the pants. I need those cargo pants because the pocket is so sexy. I need that in my life, you know? Look, we matching right now, we matching. But anyway guys, as you can see, today I brought you these two Stone Island Supreme Ice Camo baseball caps. Sorry, I lost my brain there. You can't see the color change right now because it's at the hottest. When it gets cooler, you see this gives you some sort of yellowy, greeny, kind of bluey effect, and this one just gives you a darker kind of a gradiated camo effect, but in burgundy. So this is the most obvious change. This is maybe next with the black, but yeah. So guys, you already know what it is. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. That's an ambulance, someone's getting saved, I hope. And yeah, it's another beautiful day. I've been your host P5, aka P is for goddamn, I don't know, I need to work on something better. And this has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, the end. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. Yeah, share of course, and I'm gonna see you on the next episode. Peace, love.